Many people think that learning English is very difficult, but the truth is English becomes easy when you practice every single day. So you don't need to perfect grammar to start speaking. Just you need to start with simple words, simple sentences, and as well as simple conversation. Remember one thing, every expert was once a beginner. So don't be afraid to make mistake. Speak a little English today, tomorrow you will speak better. And step by step, day by day, your English will grow. So never give up. Keep trying, keep practicing. Have a great day.